Namaste and welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is your rider 6B, aka Travi Dakal. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I am doing great, guys. So right now I am living Des Moines, Iowa, and I'm heading to Grand Forks, North Dakota. It is day 24th, whatever it is. Yeah, so I am returning home, and this is the second day on my journey returning home, or I should say third day, but second ride day. But the total journey is going to be more than 8 hours. So far so good, guys. Weather is very pleasant. It is really nice in the morning. I might sound a little different because my nose is blocked, but other than that, everything is fine. Right, this is what the downtown looks like, guys. This is the downtown for Des Moines, Iowa. Guys, looks like another storm is heading our way and we're gonna get hit hard by rain. Look at the sky, it's getting darker and darker, and it's just getting, man, it's just getting like worse. Yeah, looking at these wind turbines, they don't look that big, but they are really big. They're like so huge. See that rainbow? Over this way, right there. Right over there, there's a rainbow. And it is looking gorgeous, but it's also started raining a little bit. So, let's see. Let's see. I mean, I'm gonna have to change these gloves, but now you can see a rainbow very nicely. So if you want to see a rainbow, look at it over there. जस्तोसँगले घाम पानी नि भइदियो के यता घाम लागिरहेको छ यता पानी परिरहेको छ अब के गर्ने. It is raining, it is dark, guys. It is crazy out here. Man, I don't like this weather. This is not nice. I've already changed into a rain mode on my motorcycle, so that's giving me a really good traction. But I'm a little worried about both the GoPros, so I might have to put it inside. Because it's, oh, look at that lightning. Do you guys like that? Dang, bro. Alright, guys. So I still got another close to 6 hours left and 638 some kilometers. So still a long way, but I'm gonna make a stop in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, so that I can get something to eat. So it's time in South Dakota, and then we can continue the ride all the way to Fargo, I believe, if you know, if it is enough. You know, if I can make it off to Fargo, then I can fill it up again, and then that should make, you know, that should I should be able to make it to Grand Forks. But yeah, it was raining like cats and dogs, man. It was like raining crazy, and looks like it's gonna rain again. All right, guys, let's get going. oh well, looks like it's gonna rain again. It's been raining non-stop, guys, and I think there was a moment where it wasn't raining, like probably an hour or so, and then that was it. And then it looks like it's gonna rain again. The sky's been dark all day, like since early in the morning, and I got caught up in a very heavy rainfall and a rainstorm, thunderstorm, but I was able to ride, put it on rain mode, and just keep going. And it was okay. And then now now it looks like it's raining again. It's drizzling a little bit, but eventually it's just gonna turn into heavy rainfall. Just looking at the sky, and I just took my GoPro out and I started recording, and it started raining. So I don't think I have much luck today. I guess, we just gotta put it away. We should be crossing into South Dakota pretty soon, because Sioux Falls is the city in South Dakota. So we should be crossing in shortly, which is only 110 kilometers away. That's where Sioux Falls is. So I'm guessing, in the next half an hour or so we should be crossing in. Alright, Himalayan, Indian cuisine and Nepali restaurant. So माथि नेपाली नै लेखिसके पछाडि त होइन, कोही न कोही त होला नि त नेपाली। हेर्दिउँ के छ अब, पक्कै पनि यो कोही न कसैले त ओन गरेको हुनुपर्छ नि त, हामीले चिनेको। लेट्स सी। ल गाइस, म यहाँ भित्र जान्छु होइन, मोमो मिल्यो भने मोमो खान्छु, मिल्यो जे मिल्छ त्यही खान्छु, अनि त्यस पछाडि कुरा गरौँला है त। ओके गाइस, म अहिले Sioux Falls मा छु होइन, साउथ डकोटामा। I'm on the way to Grand Forks, North Dakota, but I decided to stop for lunch, basically pit stop, and I decided to look for a Nepali or Indian restaurant because I was craving for some Indian Nepali food. And coincidentally, I found this Himalayan, Indian and Nepali cuisine, so this one here. And it happens to be, the owner is a very famous singer, Kishore Shiwakuri. Purano परिचय, so pretty awesome. Guys, बिरयानी चाहिँ एकदम सपत लाग्यो होइन।
Thank you.
टाइम 1-2 दिन हुनु भने चाहिँ 2-3 दिन हाम्रो किचनमा बसेर होइन, हल्का ट्राई पनि हान्थे अरू कुराहरू भने।
ठिक छ जस।
अनि स्पेशली सबै इक्विपमेन्टहरू लिएर आएको भए त एउटा त बसेर एपिसोडै बन्थ्यो होइन।
ठिक छ, जो सबैसँग भेटघाट गर्न मन थियो होइन। अब धेरै टुल्नु भयो।
हामी फोनमा मात्रै गफ भयो, फिजिकली यसरी भेटेर थिएन। फोनमा चाहिँ त्यो हाम्रो स्टप सुसाइडको टाइममा इन्टरभ्यू पनि भएको थियो होइन, सबैसँग, हाम्रो दाइसँग, के अरे अमर दाइसँग भएको थियो।
अनि जस आइदिनु भयो,
खुसी लाग्यो,
संयोग भयो क्या,
एकदम संयोग। मैले तपाईँको रेस्टुरेन्ट भनेर थाहा पाएर आएन, म पनि अब तपाईँले पनि म आउँछु भनेर एक्सेप्ट गर्नुभएको थियो कि दुईजनालाई, ल चिनेको मान्छे छ त भनेर जस्तो भयो। बट फुड इज असम, हिमालयन इन्डियन कुजिन होइन, साउथ डकोटा, Sioux Falls भन्छ है प्रोनाउन्स गर्दा। फ्रेन्च नेम हो के अरे के हो?
यहाँको इन्डियन नेम हो।
इन्डियन हो, आइसी, त्यही भएर अलिकति अड भयो। ल अब भेट्दै गरौँ, ल ठिक छ। ल दाइ, ल किशोरजी, ल दाइ अब ठिक छ भेट्दै गरौँ हुन्छ हैन Alright guys, so basically I was at this Himalayan Indian cuisine जो चाहिँ हाम्रो so हाम्रो नेपाली भाषी भुटानी गायक नेपाली गायक किशोर शिवाकोटीजीको रेस्टुरेन्ट हो एकदमै मिठो बिरयानी खुवाउनु भयो है र अब भोक पनि मेट्यो तलब पनि मेट्यो so basically now I'm going to be riding towards North Dakota Grand Forks Grand Forks North Dakota. It's gonna take 4.5 hours for me to get there. I'm gonna make one more stop somewhere, I don't know if I can make it to Fargo, somewhere to get the gas, and then from there the ride continues and we'll end our ride in Grand Forks. Alright guys, so yeah, I gotta just fill it up at this gas station by the highway because I only had thanks Anna and quickly grab something to eat. Okay, 6B squad time check right now is 3:24 and it's 26 degrees Celsius outside, really nice. It was raining all day, you know, until the afternoon, and now it's all settled up. The sky is clear and blue and there is a little bit of a sunshine. The weather-wise it's really pleasant and it's really nice. I'm actually having a really good time riding through this road. I got about 300 kilometers and about 2 hours 34 minutes before I get to my destination in Grand Forks, North Dakota. I'm still in South Dakota. I will be crossing into North Dakota soon and then I'll be driving into Grand Forks. Welcome to North Dakota. We have made it. We finally made it to North Dakota. Once again, welcome to North Dakota, guys. This is probably gonna be the last US state that I'm gonna be crossing into before I cross the border between Canada and United States. So yeah, pretty exciting, pretty amazing. This entire 1 month has been such an awesome time of my life. I met so many people, been to so many places and done lots of adventure and lots of exciting stuff, and it is just amazing. You know, I think this is one of the best experiences of my life and I'm never gonna forget this. This is gonna stay till, you know, this is gonna stay till the end. So pretty awesome, huh? Just a little bit of a change in the plan, guys. I have decided to stop by Fargo. You know, just a quick stop, maybe like half an hour, 15 minutes, half an hour stop in Fargo. You know, and then I'm gonna be driving to Grand Forks after that. So Fargo is, I think, about 95 kilometers from here, and then from there it's another 70-80 kilometers to Grand Forks. Alright, let's settle a little bit. Let me give you guys this view. This kind of view. This is a different point of view. Okay guys, I have arrived in Fargo City here in North Dakota. I'm just about to take an exit here, exit 62. Alright, welcome to Fargo guys. Welcome to Fargo in North Dakota. This is my second time coming into this town. Yeah. Alright, looks like this is the one. Bro! Khoi त हौ के छ
ठीक छ यार
Damn.
यसले पुरा रेकर्ड हुँदै जान्छ सबै
रेकर्ड भइरहेछ नि मैले तिमी गलत कुरा गरौ भने सबै रेकर्ड हुन्छ है Alright guys, so my stopover in Fargo, North Dakota was only for an hour, close to 45 minutes in an hour. Now I'm already headed to Grand Forks. Okay, 6B squad, time check right now is 6:43 p.m. It's 29 degrees Celsius outside and I still got 58 minutes to go before I get to my destination. Over 115 kilometers. Yeah, so I just left Fargo not too long ago, maybe 15 minutes ago, and I'm headed to Grand Forks. So far, so good. The ride is awesome, guys. Right. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. If you already haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. Stay motivated, stay positive, ride safe, and dream bigger. I'll see you guys in the next video.